I'm going to cover the steps to descale and flush a tankless water heater with a flush kit from Chromex. Turn off the power or unplug the water heater. Turn off the gas if you have a gas unit. These are the main shutoff valves. These are the service valves by the caps. Turn off the main hot and cold valves. Remove the service caps. Connect the hoses to the service valves. Add 1 gallon of water and 1 quart of the cleaning solution to the bucket. Connect the hose from the cold service valve to the pump. Put the grate into the bucket and set the pump on top of it. Put the hose from the hot valve into the bucket. Open both service valves. Plug in the pump to circulate the cleaner and allow it to run for 30 to 45 minutes. After 30 to 45 minutes, turn off the pump. Rinse the cleaning solution out of your water heater by closing the service valve on the cold side connected to the pump. Remove the hose on the cold side. Remove the pump from the bucket. Flush the descaler from the water heater into a bucket or floor drain by opening the main cold valve. Let it run for about 5 minutes or until the water is clear. You'll have to dump multiple buckets if you don't have a floor drain. Close the main cold valve when the water runs clear. Close the hot service valve. Remove the hose from the hot service valve. Replace the caps on the service valves. Open the two main valves. Plug in the water heater or turn on the electric. Turn on the gas if you have a gas unit. Go to a hot faucet and turn it on until you get hot water.